अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एरर हैंडलिंग इन PHP, टाइप्स ऑफ एरर। PHP is used for web development. Error handling in PHP is almost similar to error handling in all programming languages. The default error handling in PHP will give file name, line number and error type. Ways to handle PHP errors using die method. Custom error handling. Basic error handling using die function. The die function print a message and exit from current script. Syntax है die और variable मैसेज किया गया. Example PHP पुट किया गया PHP code showing default error handling. Variable file f जो है function open पुट किया गया. geeks text और word जो है पुट किया गया और यहाँ पे run जो किया गया. note the run the above code and geeks text file is not present, then it will display as runtime error message. Runtime error. PHP warning. F open, function open, file open, geeks for geek and text. Fail to open stream, permission denied is home. To prevent this error use die function. यहाँ पे example पुट की गई है die function की. PHP code to change errors. If file is not present then exit from script. If file exit geeks or text, die file is not present. If file is present then continue. Else a variable file f file open, geeks text and word जो पुट किया गया. यहाँ पे आउटपुट क्या फाइल इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. नॉट इफ geeks type file not present then it display output. Custom error handling. Creating a custom error handling handler in PHP is quite simple. Create a function that can be called when an error has been occurred in PHP. Syntax: error function, variable error level, variable error message, error file, variable error line and variable error context. Parameters: this function accepts 5 parameters as mentioned above and described below. Variable error level. It is required parameter that and is must be an integer. There are predefined error levels. Error message, error file, error line and error context. It is the optional parameter and used to specify an array containing every variable and their value when error has been occurred. Error level. There are possible error level which are listed below. Error warning, non-fatal runtime error execution of script has been halted. Error parse, error notice, core error and core warning. Or error all errors are warning. Set errors handling function. After creating my error function, need to set custom error handler because in normal way PHP handles, but if user does custom error handling, then user have to set it in place of argument and pass out my error function as a string. Example PHP put किया गया creates my error function which prints message to user. Function my error, variable error no, variable error message put किया गया. echo error, variable error no or variable error message. echo no script will end when error occurred. Script has to be stopped. Die method again put किया गया. Setting set error handler my error. A variable a is equal to 10, variable b is equal to 0. This will generate error echo variable a and variable b. Output क्या? Error to division by 0. No script will end. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz everyone.